In the name of Allah, dear students, you all are welcome. I am Nurul Islam Shumon, BA Honors, MA English, Assistant Teacher, MA Rashid High School. Attention please. Subject B, main verb and extension. What is this? It's a structure. Our today's lesson is on sentence as a structure. My students, we will discuss now sentences of three kinds as a structure, such as simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. Simple sentence. Simple sentence is a sentence that possesses a principal clause or a subject and a finite verb. For example, Mahmud goes. Here Mahmud is a subject and goes is a finite verb. Complex sentence. Complex sentence is a sentence that contains a principal clause and minimum a subordinate clause. It may also have a subordinating conjunction. For example, I go when you come back. Here, I go is a principal clause and when you come back subordinate clause, and when is a subordinating conjunction. The condition of a complex sentence is principal clause, subordinate clause, and a coordinating conjunction. Some other subordinating conjunctions are that, who, whose, whom, where, when, why, since, if, in case, though, although, before, after, whether, as, because, so that, lest, till, until, and unless, etc. Compound sentence. Compound sentence is a sentence that contains minimum two clauses with coordinating conjunction. For instance, I go but you come. Here but is a coordinating conjunction and I go is a clause and you come is a clause. Here students, we know a compound sentence is consist of two clauses with a coordinating conjunction. Other conjunctions are and, or, but. Exercise. I know him is a simple sentence. Here we notice I is a subject and know is a finite verb. We know the condition of a simple sentence is a subject and a finite verb. Then I know him who is killer is a complex sentence Here, I know him is a principal clause and who is killer is subordinate clause. A subordinate clause has a subordinating conjunction. Who is a subordinating conjunction? Then I know him but he doesn't know me is a compound sentence. I know him is a clause but he doesn't know me. He doesn't know me is a clause. Here but is a coordinating conjunction. I saw a bird is a simple sentence. Here we notice a subject I and a finite verb. So I saw a bird is a simple sentence. If you want, I will meet you is a complex sentence. Here if you want is a subordinate clause and I will meet you a principal clause. In the sentence, if is a subordinating conjunction. Then he is a poor but he is honest. The sentence is a compound sentence. Here we notice he is a poor is a clause. He is honest is another clause. And the clauses connected with a coordinating conjunction. Then exercise, I have been reading since morning is a simple sentence. Here I is a subject and have been reading is a finite verb. And since morning is extension. We play so that we can win is a complex sentence. Here we play is a principal clause and so that we can win a subordinate clause and so that is a subordinating conjunction. Then we play and so we can win is a compound sentence. Here we play is a clause and so we can win is a clause. Both clause connected with a coordinating conjunction. The coordinating conjunction is and. You should go there is a simple sentence. Here you is a subject and should go is a finite verb. Since he has permission, he can enter is a complex sentence. Here, since he has permission is a subordinate clause. He can enter is a principal clause. Both clause togetherly is called complex sentence. Here, since is a subordinating conjunction. We should do our duty or we have to repent is a compound sentence. Here we should do our duty is a principal clause and we have to repent is another principal clause. Both clause is connected with coordinating conjunction or. Thank you students. I hope dear learners, I hope you have learned a good lesson from it. To know more, you have to follow and notice another class, sentence part free. From it you can have a great exercise, and you will have a comparative exercise from there. In this way it will be easy for you in learning transformation of sentence three kinds: simple, complex, and compound. At last, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the class to your friends. Thank you all and sundry.